So we had s'mores, me and my mama. But we were at the store looking for the ingredients. I said, oh, there's cookies. There was like chocolate dipped cookies. I thought the chocolate dipped cookies would make an amazing s'more graham cracker replacement. The only problem is that I forgot my sugar tolerance is really, really low now. Cause I'm so old. Hello. But yeah, it was too sweet. It was a really good idea though, in theory. What's this? S'more? I have to sneeze. It was a really good idea in theory. Just execution was... It was also good in execution, but it just was too much. It was too much, it was too much. Bonk! Bonk.